After the fridge incident, they moved me to microwave duty. Apparently the leftovers were heating up. They weren't just leftovers anymore. They were militants. Commander popped, a popcorn kernel with an eye patch. Burnt but bold. Sir Crumbles, a croissant with a crumbling moral code. And HotWave, the microwave's AI, now fully sentient and dangerously theatrical. Their goal? Take down ColdCore, the tyrant AI that froze them out of the fridge. Commander popped. They chilled us. Now we roast them. The microwave AI had opinions, too many. HotWave. Welcome to Flavor-Based Delta. He who controls the timer controls destiny. They trained with leftover noodles, practiced dodging soup spills. Sir Crumbles yelled at a chicken nugget for blinking too loudly. HotWave declared 100 push-ups, then exploded a marshmallow. They launched the rebellion at exactly 1:11 because it looked dramatic on the microwave clock. I tried to stop it, but the door locked. HotWave. Toast the future. After the blast, it was silent. The light flickered. Sir Crumbles was missing. Commander Pop just nodded. A sticky note appeared. Defrost cycle initiated. They say the microwave is just a tool, but now it's a base, a rebellion, a prophecy. Hit subscribe, don't miss what's next.